All right, I'm going to show you guys how to install and use Screencastify on your computer. I'm going to use these directions, which you have as well. So I'm going to start by going to screencastify.com. I'm going to type it right here, screencastify.com. And then I'm going to click on the button that says Add to Chrome. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on another button that says Add to Chrome. And then I will choose Add Extension. I'm already on step 4. I got a little message from Mr. Dominguez and one that says Screencastify has been added to Chrome. So now I can see it, hopefully, up here on my screen. I think I have to stretch it out a little more. But there it is. Screencastify is installed and I can see it right here in the browser bar. Now we have to set it up. So I'm going to click on my Screencastify icon and I'm going to choose Sign In with Google. I'm on step 2 here. Sign in with Google. Next I have to choose my account and I'm going to choose my school account. And then I'm going to accept the permissions that allow it to access my camera and microphone and drawing tools. So I just have to click Next. Next, on step 5, it says Select Allow. And here I am on step 6. I did it. Screencastify is set up. Now I'm going to start using Screencastify. So the very first thing that you're going to do is click right here and choose the overview video. If you have yours a little wider, it might look like this. So you'll click the overview video. I'm not going to make you watch it right now. I'm going to have you watch it on your computer instead. Then we're going to actually click on the icon when we're ready to record. So I'm going to click on my Screencastify icon. And I'm going to, in this case, I can record my whole desktop or just my browser tab. Just my browser tab means like just this tab. The whole desktop obviously means the whole desktop. The webcam only is how you get your face in it. And so I'm just going to choose my whole desktop and then I'm going to click record. And I'm choosing my entire screen.
3, 2, 1.
And I get that little count in. And how I know that Screencastify is recording is because there's a red dot here. And when I'm ready to end my recording, I click here. And I choose the red square again to end it. Screencastify automatically will show you your video. And you can also, it automatically saves to your Google Drive. So one way that you can get there is you can click View on Drive. But say it's like later another day and I want to make sure that I can see my video, you can go to your Google Drive. And you should have a folder that is called Screencastify. And when you open up that folder, you are going to have your video right there. And here's mine. It automatically comes with a title like this, but you can easily change the title just like you would any Google Drive file. Good luck.